10 ways to sound more American. Number 1. Well, are you going home already? Well, it's not interesting to me anymore. Number 2. Are you ready to order? Could you give us more time? Number 3. Kind of. Do you like camping? Kind of, I don't know. Number 4. I was like, he asked me out and I was like, no, I don't like you. You're disgusting. Number 5. Like, do you have any essential oils like lavender or lemongrass, that kind of stuff? Number 6. The plus, can I get the super deluxe combo? Number 7. A plus, can I get a bottle of water? Number 8. How's it going? How's it going? Hey, how's it going? Good. How are you? Good. Number 9. What's up? Not much. Number 10. What are you doing? Notice here that it's not what are you doing, it's what are you doing. The T is silent. And if you really listen to it, you can hear the T actually transitions into a slightly light, a very light D. So it sounds like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, I hope you liked this video today. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye!